All right, welcome to the Starseed Origins presentation. Really excited to see what alien species you are. No, we're going to find out this through the astrology. And so we're going to talk today about Starseed. Where are you from? What races are you from? You could be from the Pleiades, which is the peace-loving, healing energy, heart-centered. We've heard a lot about Pleiadians, right? And then there's Sirius, which is the brave leaders, protectors. They're mission-focused and quite honest and blunt as well. And we're going to use Juanita's chart at the end of this to practice. But we're looking for specific degrees in your planets, right? Now, in my 12th house, I had Gemini, which was the timeline jumper. This is Juanita's chart. Look at that big triangle in the middle. Whew.
Trina, really quickly, I've actually been really interested in this subject for several years now. And did you see on her chart where it had that perfect trine, that perfect triangle?
Yeah.
Like, if you don't know if you're a starseed or not, that, in my experience, I've seen like dozens of charts, and that's like a big indicator that you definitely are one if you have a perfect trine like that.
We're going to look at Lori's fixed star degrees first here. And so let's just go starting at her Taurus area, which is her 6th house. So does anything, you have a lot of Sagittarius, I forgot. So that's interdimensional wisdom. There's that wisdom coming up. So I'm going to rate that for Lori. But I would look at Lyra as your top one. I think Lyra has most clout or whatever. What do you think, Lori? Does that sound like you could be
cool.
Lyra?
That's the first one I actually resonated with.
Okay, perfect.
Watch the full session in the Cards and Stars Academy in the Zoom replay section. Join now for your free trial, and we meet every Wednesday. Hope to see you on the inside.